We are continuing our online guided tours for PTC ASIA 2021, and now we are the company SUPROR, and now Edward Shi,
Yes.
who is the sales manager. Good morning.
Good morning, Sasa.
Good morning. So could you please give us briefly company introduction, and if you have some new products, products introduction as well.
Yes. Hi, everyone. Our company is Hangzhou SUPROR transmission machinery company. This is our product. Here is our K series gearbox. The technological stance is almost is similar to the SEW. Now we can to here. This is our WP ball gearbox.
Mr. Shi, can you share with us your company's brand concepts?
Sure. Our company brand concept vision focus on the continually development of the reducer fuel and became the best choice for the global outstanding user. Our company's video is keeping learning, a simple spring our contract. Happy. Our company's management idea create wealth and enjoyment for the society. Share value experience for the customers, obtain sustained material benefits for the shareholders, bring material richness and worker pride to employee. Hello, our company's new field is from the traditional machinery to the intelligent machinery.
Thank you, Mr. Shi, for your introduction,
Yes.
and I hope you will enjoy our show. And is it true that I heard that you went to Hanover Messe one day?
Yes. We ever have visited have attended the Hanoi Mass, and next year we will attend the Hanoi Mass. Yeah.
Like hybrids, right? Hybrid show, online
Yes.
and offline.
Of the line.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it was Super Company and Mr. Shi. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.